Meanwhile, in Tamil Nadu, preparations gain momentum for the famous Avaniyapuram Jallikattu event. Organizers, villagers, and officials work together to inspect the arenas, register bulls and participants, and deploy medical and security teams. The traditional bull taming sport, deeply rooted in Tamil culture, is expected to draw thousands, celebrating the bravery and festive spirit during the Pongal. And as you all know, the viewers, Jallikattu is one of the highlight of the Tamil Nadu Pongal. And if there is any state which celebrates the Makar Sankranti in a grandeur way, I have to agree it is Tamil Nadu, because in the entire world, this particular Makar Sankranti, more famously known as the Thai Pongal, and even the leaders of the national leaders from Canada, UK, and many other countries, Tamilians, where the prominence are there, like Singapore, Malaysia also, the Thai Pongal is celebrated in a greatest grandeur. And among the festive celebrations, the Jallikattu event is the most interesting and the prominent one.
Pausa.